In this video, I will show you how to use Revolut points. To do this, go and open up the Revolut app and click on RevPoints in the bottom right. Now from there you can see first of all the amount of points you currently have. You can click earn to see how you can earn more points. And what you can then do is just scroll down here and you can see products, then click show more. And here you can see some things you can use your RevPoints for. So for example, air miles, stays, eSIM, shops, gift cards, lounges, pocket, fast track, experiences or donations. So if you scroll further down, you can also see some deals. For example, we have Factor Meals, where every 20 Rev points is worth 10 euros. Then you can see some cases, a Nike and My Protein deal. You can see airline miles. Whatever you want to use them for, just click on that category. For example, I'll select donations. Then right here you can see different charities, but if you select miles, you can see the different airlines you can use it with. Now if you click on a certain deal or a certain company, you can then click donate and you can choose how much you want to donate. But right here we don't want to use our money, we want to use Rev points. So you can click donate with Rev points and you can see, for example, right here 1400 Rev points is 10 euros. Or 28,000 Rev points is 200 euros. So that's one way you can use them. Now if I go back here and I go to miles, for example, I can select KLM. And then right here what I can do is transfer my points into miles. So 1 point is 1 mile of flying. If I click transfer points, right here I can enter my Flying Blue membership number. And if I have that right here, I can just enter it and it would then transfer into Flying Blue points. Now you also have, for example, EasyJet, where you can get up to 100% off with points. So here how it works, you click add gift card, then you can choose how many points you want to use, and you can then get a gift card for the amount you see right there. So there are a ton of different ways you can use your points. If you click redeem, you can see some more specific deals right here, such as Qatar Airways. You can use Revolut Pay, you can go to experiences. So that's basically how you can use your Rev points. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.